Good food is medicine. Bad food requires medicine. Have you ever heard that before? Just heard about this and I thought, I'm going to make a video about it. I'm John Laspina. I'm the Carnivore Teacher. If you are eating the proper human diet, this is the foods meant for our species. You don't need any medicine. You don't need any medicine at all. Let food be thy medicine. And it's true. Now, you don't believe me until you do it. You will notice you are on fewer or less or no medicines when you change over to eating carnivore or ketovore. You can get off of some of your medicines through the consultation of your doctor. You can be de-prescribed. Get off of your medicines. It's healthier. If you continue to eat the standard American diet or the standard world diet, wherever you live, you are going to need medicine in the future, most probably, because you will acquire either a disease or you will acquire a condition or you will have some pains or aches or problems brought on by the seed oils, creating inflammation, generating an open door for disease, or all of the carbs and sugars that we continually eat in excess in the standard world diet. Our body can't keep up. Our body's in this toxic alarm state trying to neutralize all the sugar. And that only lasts so long until things break down. And then you need medicine. So people go to the doctor and they say, hey doc, I have this symptom, I have this problem. And the doctor looks at you. The doctor does all the vitals on you and then decides through your symptoms what medicine will alleviate your symptoms. That's all. What a horrible way to go. Then you have to pay the pharmaceutical companies and your doctor to take a medicine that they really don't want you to go off of usually. Many medicines, doctors and patients believe they have to go on them for the rest of their lives. If you just eat properly, you don't need medicine. If you have a condition that's not related to diet, then maybe you need a medicine. But you know my point. My point is we do not need so many medicines when we eat the proper human diet of beef, lamb, pork, poultry, fish, and eggs, cooking in saturated animal fats. When I say saturated, I mean it's mostly saturated. There are, of course, some monounsaturated fats in animal products, but they're very small. We are eating mostly healthy saturated fats, and they're not bad. The seed oils are all polyunsaturated fatty acids, and they're bad already from the factory because they had to squish them out of those seeds using high heat, clean it with hexane, degum it, deodorize it, color it. It's machine lubricant, and it certainly doesn't lubricate your body. Your body sees it as a toxin and generates inflammation inappropriately. Eating the proper human diet can be medicine, and you can get healed. A lot of people, thousands and thousands and thousands of people are on the internet telling you their story of how they solved and cured and eliminated their problems and their issues and their ailments just by changing their way of eating to the proper human diet. Think about it. If you're not doing it now, contemplate it. Look into it more. Watch my videos. Watch videos with Dr. Ken Berry, Dr. Anthony Chafee, Dr. Sean Baker. Watch our videos. There's many wonderful people out there giving you advice on how to eat properly. And you'll see for yourself, you will heal from the inside out. And you won't need a lot of the medicines eventually if you're on a lot. Live long and prosper. Have a good day.